Hi, today I will introduce basic level course, several topics, and my today's first point is navigate a document. Navigate a document while working a document, you will often need to move the text cursor around to change where you are typing. Navigate a Microsoft Word document efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort when working on a large or complex document. Here are some ways to navigate a document in Microsoft Word. Move the insertion point. The insertion point is the blinking vertical bar that represents where text will be inserted as you type. Click anywhere inside the document. The insertion point moves to where you clicked or at least as close as possible. If you click in a margin or often after the end of the text toward the bottom of the page, the insertion point moves to the closest point it can. You can also move the insertion point around using the keyboard. This method is described in the table below. Scroll in a document. When a document gets long enough, it can be though to navigate through the whole thing with just the keyboard. You can use the scroll bar on the right and bottom side of the window to move through the document quickly. Click the arrow button at the top, bottom, and sides of the scroll bar to scroll one line at a time. Click and drag a scroll bar to move quickly through a document, releasing it when you have reached the page you want. Use the navigate pane. If you have a longer document with multiple pages, or you have set up your document into section with headings, you can use the navigate pane to move quickly through section and pages. Click the view tab on, select the navigate pane, checkbox in the show group. The navigate pane appears on the left side of the screen, showing headings used in the document. Clicking one will jump to the heading. Click pages. The navigation pane now shows every page in the document, represented by a thumbnail. Click a page in the navigation pane. Microsoft Word navigates right to the selected page. These are just a few ways to navigate a Microsoft Word document. By using these tools and shortcuts, you can save time and work more efficiently when editing and formatting your documents.